Nature. Nature is earth. Nature is life. We think that we are the earth, that we own it, that we rule it. But nature doesn't need us. We need nature. Nature feeds us. Nature makes it possible for us even breathing, living, existing. But we are damaging nature, poisoning nature, destroying nature, the same thing that makes up all the life on planet Earth. Nature, nature. Why are we destroying it? Why not give something back? Why are we polluting oceans and overfishing species that soon will extinct? Why polluting the air that we breathe in every day and minute? Eventually, this will just bite us in the ass. Why destroying it for ourselves, this beautiful source? Why? But I and many others see change. There's always a solution to everything. We humans are smart. We can work something out. It is not too late yet, but we have to start somewhere. Somewhere where the earth has to realize that it's time to change. If we do not change, nature will kill us. Nature will torture us. There will be no one to feed us, no one to make it possible living. This has to change. This has to start now. Start caring about nature. Stop poisoning it. Otherwise, we're the ones ruining it for ourselves. We're the ones killing ourselves. We're the ones extincting ourselves.